Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I'm Susanti. In this video, I want to review my reference paper. My main paper, the title is Development of a Mobile Application in Augmented Reality to Improve the Communication Field of Autistic Children at a Neurorehabilitation Clinic. And my supporting paper, the title is Augmented Reality Social Story for Autism Spectrum Disorder. My main paper talk about an augmented reality mobile application to improve the communication area of autistic children for neurorehabilitation clinic. Software used in the application. This application needs a few software such as Vuforia, Android, Blender, and Unity. Application development. There are 12 numbers for application development. For number 1, using Unity. Unity for designing the augmented reality application. For number 2, developing with the Vuforia library. Number 3, script. The script in Unity can be written in 3 different programming languages: JavaScript, C, and Brio3. For number 4, the Vuforia SDK architecture. The Vuforia library is SDK for application based on augmented reality. For number 5 is using Blender. Using Blender because there are some objects cannot be created in the Unity software. So using Blender is required. For number 6, making the augmented reality application. This application needs a homepage where the children can choose the category they want. Number 7, color selection. Studies shown that the color produce psychological effect on people because they generate different sensation and reaction. And then for application development, there are application homepage, scene, and camera marker relationship. Application homepage. In homepage must not have many elements because it can overstimulate children and causes stress. Camera marker relationship. There must be a distance between augmented reality camera and the marker. Okay, for the last there are marker 3D object relationship and animating with script. 3D object and animation are the most important part of this project. Discussion about result compared to the traditional method. In this paper, to test between traditional therapy and application therapy. There are 6 children who will be sampled at the age 3 to 9 years old, with categories fruits, animal, and transportation. In these diagrams, it only shows 2 categories, animals and transportation, because in fruits categories, there is no increase between 2 categories. Okay, for diagrams comparison of test result in the process of care, we can see in the animals categories increase 37%, while the transportation categories increase 10%. And for diagrams of comparison of result in the emergence of language, we can see in the animals category increase 17%, and then the transportation categories increase 10%. Okay, this is about my supporting paper. In this paper, I am to help children with autism spectrum disorder with social story therapy by utilizing augmented reality technology. Research method. There are 4 research methods in this paper. For number 1, augmented reality and social story. Augmented reality here as a technology to be used, and social short story display as a therapy for children with autism spectrum disorder. The next there are flip motion and general architecture. Flip motion controller is a tool that aims to track hand and finger movement to perform a brief game on this research. The general architecture of augmented reality social story will be explained by the picture below. Okay, this is a general architecture of augmented reality social story. For number 1, there is input. At the input, available image, camera, and marker. The function of image is to place the animation and camera to capture the marker. After that, there is process. In the initial process, we'll identify marker and then compare between the marker and database. After that, position estimate the animation and rendering. The last one will come out 3D animation on the image. There are two pictures in here. For number one, the picture show a social story in 3D animation, and the second picture about implements of the lip motion controller. Okay, the conclusion about the picture of the level approval and satisfaction of the system, which produce an average of 50%. Thank you for watching.